I'll be able to reach it to put it back in. Here, put it over here. Over here. Finger. Put it over here with the rest of them. No, 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 no. That's not ready to go back in yet. Give it to me. Give it to me. There we go. And I'll put it over here with the other one. Now you still got one more. Take it out. Don't put it back yet. Take it out. Oh, you're going to put them back that way? Okay. Okay, now you want to close the lid? There we go. Close the lid. There. It's all closed. I can open it again. Okay. She's definitely right-handed.
Mm-hmm.
Good
girl. You
girl.
just looked at your ring.
Yeah, she had to.
Wait. Take them all out.
Hey. Close the lid.
That's fun, how they...
Okay, are we done?
So for right now, yes.
Can I put it...